I grew up watching Jimmy Fallon every night with my family. I'm so grateful to everyone who has supported me in one of the scariest, most painful moments of my life. Proud is an understatement. Lucky to be part of a generation that values not only sustainability for our species, but the sanctity of our planet. Let's be the change. Making your voice heard, even if you are like me and not of voting age, is important today and every day. Taylor Swift is the reason I write songs, and she posted me on her story and told me I was talented. I love my fairy godparents. According to the latest figures, 75% of Earth's land surface has been severely altered by humans. Deforestation and unsustainable agriculture, as well as the illegal trade of endangered wildlife, increase the risk of human-animal contact. Feels good to be a gangster.